What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about what's the benefit of rotating your tires. So we paid like $600 to $700 on some tires, and that's not including like different type of tires. I know like on the Gen Coupe, I'm spending about $1,200 on some tires, even more sometimes. So, you know, that's for 1 year. So if you wind up doing it the correct way, you don't have to spend that much money on tires every year. It's like probably like every 3 to 4 years. So the correct way of rotating your tires. So if you're going in for a routine oil change, spend the extra dollars and say, hey, I want to rotate my tires. Because of the fact that the two tires in the back can go in the front and the two tires in the front can go in the back. So your tire can wear out evenly and you can get the best tire life of your tires. So you're not really worried about, man, I just spent $600 on some tires, and you looking like, man, hold on, I spent that last year, you know, and my tires running down quick. That is one of the ways of keeping the tread depth and the tread life on your tires. That's the benefit of rotating your tires. Because me personally, when I was buying tires for my Dodge Neon, I kept buying tires like every year. I'm like, God darn it. And you know, my Dodge Neon is front wheel vehicle. So I'm like, God darn it, I keep buying tires, and cause I'm not even getting an oil change. Plus, I'm not even getting a rotation. If I get an oil change, I'm getting an oil change, but I'm not even getting a rotation. I'm like, no, I ain't about to spend that extra money for a rotation. But the benefit of rotating is to get the even tread depth. So, the two tires in the front need to go to the back, and the two tires in the back need to go to the front. So you can get the best life out of your tires. Because I know me, oh man, I was like, God darn it. Some people, you know what I'm saying, because you have a front wheel vehicle, your tires are going to go down quick because you are pushing your car forward. So, you know what I'm saying, the two tires on the front is doing a lot, and then the tires in the back. Then, and vice versa, if you got a rear wheel vehicle, the two tires in the back is doing a lot for the tires in the front. But, you know, if you got staggered tires, that's a whole different story because you can't even rotate the tires. I think you can rotate them side to side though. But if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and that subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.